All right, now we're going to start to move up from the floor and work toward a standing progression. But before we get all the way up, we're going to start with a little exercise we like to call the fire hydrants. And here, this is a self-mobilization / strengthening exercise to really get the hip motion. So what I'm going to ask Teresa to do is make large circles with her knee, but it's mostly coming from the hip, okay? Now, you're seeing Teresa make this motion, but I want it even more aggressive than that. I want her to pull her knee close to her chest, bring that hip up as high as she can, come around, bring the knee back up as high as she can behind her, and then bring it back. She is going to do 5 rotations clockwise, and then 5 rotations counterclockwise. What she should be feeling is, yes, a little bit of pain in the back, but mostly she's going to feel some pressure in her hip, and even her butt might start to cramp up a little bit, and that's a good thing. Most of us never work our hips hard enough. Hip mobility is so important in protecting your back, and most of us forget that. This is one way to get it, and you can see Teresa's really cranking that hip to try to get the mobility back that we want. Now reverse course, try the different direction. Believe it or not, it feels different going the different motions because that's the way the hip ligaments tend to work. So don't be surprised if you feel a lot of weird sensations and even a little butt tightness and pain. That's great because it means you're working a joint like you've never worked it before.